Well, we're in week 4. Welcome to week 4. We're going to be concluding the course this week. So here you're going to sum up a lot of what you have learned. We're looking more into the careers and how to prepare for a career this week. So your assignment and your discussion will coordinate well with that. In addition, you'll have your final exam and post-test to finish. It'll be open Thursday and conclude on Sunday. The discussion posts will be Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday again. Those are the due dates, but you can complete them earlier if you wish. And the discussion topic will be talking about a list of your skills that an employer would look for and talking about the skills that you feel are the most important. Then your final paper assignment is going to be due on, I think it's Wednesday. And you must have a submission to the OWL for this paper. So this will be due, let's see, Wednesday of week 4. This is due. So please put your paper into the OWL by Sunday at the latest so that you have time to review it. It's very important to have time to rewrite your paper. Good writing is always rewriting. So let's see how you do with this. We will need to see a verified OWL consultation, and I hope you do well on your post-test and your final exam. So good luck this week. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Remember, Kaiser Live will be Tuesday. All right, thanks.